Guys, so our next little project coming up, well, we're going to do the front door as well, but we'll just show you on the interior door here. So we got this lock style door. We don't need this really to the basement. Some people like it. Simple fact is that they can lock that, and then if somebody somehow breaks into the house from the basement, they can't get in because they would need a key on that side, or they'd have to break this door down. So that is a nice little security feature you could have, but we're just going to change it and just put a normal regular door handle on. And I think this is about $30, $29.99. So and we're also, the reason why we did it too is also changing it back to the same door handle as everywhere else in the house, same style. This is a different style, obviously, with a locking feature. So we're going to change that part out, and we'll show you how to do it. So you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver right here, and a flathead screwdriver as well. You might not need it, but this one we definitely do. So we're going to unscrew both sides. Now we're going to keep this door handle, guys, this locking door handle, just in case maybe somebody wants to have that function in the rental. But for this situation, and it's not like we have a legal suite in the basement, so it's not like there's two rental properties in this one house, so we don't need this. Now maybe if we had like an upstairs and a basement suite, then it would make a lot more sense to have something like this, so that, you know, people downstairs don't come upstairs or vice versa. So that is not the case. All right. So you just take this off, and in some cases we might be able to still use this. Depends if they changed the style in this one or not. So you're going to get your new door handle here, and we're just going to open it up. I could just cut into this, but I like to open them a little more gently, I guess. There we go. And have it all go all over the floor. Now there is instructions, guys, if you want, follow those. So this is a different style door handle, so it uses this kind of curved thing versus like a square thing with a little thing in it. So we're going to have to take this piece out, and that's what the flathead screwdriver would be for. You just pop it out like that. Alright. I think this has a different plate. Yes, it does. So it's nice to have this little plate. It's different. We can change it out. All you got to do is put your screwdriver in here and twist. That's what I was kind of thinking, but didn't want to break it at the same time. There we go. Careful. That's right, comes off the front. This one comes off the back. Just rotate it, boom. This piece goes on just like that, and it gets pushed into the, just like that, little crimped area. Alright. Now usually this tells you up and down, or top, bottom. And this one doesn't really show you. There we go. I think it goes this way. Now you just got to line your holes up and put your screws in. So what we'll do is we'll just use the old screws because they look to be the same. Yep, they look to be the exact same, so we'll just do that. And you probably want to start this with your fingers first to make sure everything is lined up and screwed in. There we go. And you guys can kind of cheat a little bit by holding the back, pulling this plate out a bit, and you can kind of see where it screws in. It's probably hard to see on the camera right now, but. And then you just turn it, thread it by hand, a couple threads. And take your screwdriver and go the rest of the way. There we go. Perfectly installed, and we're going to see if it works. Catches and opens and closes, no problem. See, opens, turns, beautiful. So if you like this kind of stuff, guys, keep watching. And thanks for watching my video. And don't forget, never stop learning. Now, if you want a little pro tip, which I'll probably do in another video a little bit later on, but a little pro tip, if you have issues, with these screws and your door handle coming loose, just throw a little bit of Loctite, blue Loctite on your thread it in, and she won't come loose again. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget, never stop learning, and I'll have some more little pro tips for you throughout the house, like little things for like door hinges, the screw on the door handle, stuff like that. We'll go through the house, we'll find a couple things, we'll do another little video and show you guys how you can make that better without having things come loose or, I don't know, graphite dust everywhere. Anyways, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning. Alright guys, so we're changing this one because this one has got a lot of slop to it, as you can see. It should be more like that, but there's a lot of slop. Same with this side. Right. It's like it's coming apart. So that's why we're changing the front door one. And here's that. One of the ones going to the basement already. So yeah, just showing you the difference between the two. One had a lock that we didn't need, and this one it's worn out, it's sloppy. So that's why we're changing this one.